thread in the SOLIDWORKS. The detail of created spatial spiral curve and sketch the profile of the cross section of the thread. And on panel view 10, from the drop down menu curves, activate the command helix and spiral. Next step, select plane and create sketch circle. And excite from the sketch, change reverse direction, change pitch, and add some revolutions. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. And change necessary change start angle, it's 0, and create, set OK. On the next step, create a profile on plane above, create sketch, change view and normal to, and that place create triangular. And excite polygon and excite from the sketch. Change view isometric and activate the command swept cut or sweep, both, swept cut. For example, change sketch is a profile and change the path. It's from the model tree, select helix spiral and OK. We have spiral, we have thread. In the context assembly, from the tool design library toolbox, add-ins toolbox, and for you add in now. After loading toolbox, select ANSI inch and some bolts and screw, and then click left mouse button on the bolt, hold and drag on the work field, and release left mouse button, and then configure add schematic symbol thread, schematic, OK, and excite insert component, in part document, just add bolt, from the end excite insert component, from the drop down menu insert, go to submenu annotation and activate the command cosmetic thread and indicate the circular edge. And set the option in the dialog box. ANSI standard minor diameter and another. Okay. We have only cosmetic thread, but we have and schematic thread. Create a new document. Drawing. Okay. Change path and double click. Insert in the work field. By activating Smart Dimension command, specify the thread and excuse me, and another cosmetic thread and cosmetic thread, and relate the thread value in the size of the text in dialog box. Where is there is the value, that is, and set. Excite from dimension.